Hey folks, let's dive straight into today's breaking news. Iran has launched a massive assault on Israel, firing over 300 drones and missiles. That's right, 300. Imagine this, 170 drones, 30 cruise missiles and 110 ballistic missiles all heading towards Israel. It sounds like a scene out of a sci-fi movie, right? But this is happening right now. Now here's where it gets even more intense. Israel, with its advanced defense systems, has managed to intercept 99% of these projectiles. That's nearly every single one of them. Not a single missile or drone entered Israeli territory. Talk about defense on point. So what triggered this? This escalation follows a series of intense events. Israel's ground war in Lebanon and the killing of Hezbollah's leader have turned what used to be proxy conflicts into direct confrontations between Israel and Iran. Iran's missile barrage was a stark warning, a bold statement in response to Israeli actions, but Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu didn't take it lying down. He vowed strong retaliation, declaring Iran would pay for it. Experts say Israel has a wide range of military capabilities for such a retaliation. We're talking about targeting Iranian oil facilities, military infrastructure, and even nuclear sites. The possibility of hitting Iran's nuclear program is particularly concerning. Despite US President Joe Biden's opposition to an Israeli attack on Iran's nuclear facilities, the Pentagon has ramped up its military presence in the region, showing support for Israel. This move raises the stakes even higher. Former Mossad official Sima Shine believes Israel could hit Iran where it hurts the most, its economy and military might. Targeting oil infrastructure and military installations could cripple Iran's ability to project power. But let's not forget, Iran has warned of a strong response to any further Israeli actions. This could escalate into a broader regional conflict with unpredictable consequences. The international community is urging restraint, hoping for a diplomatic solution. The situation remains highly volatile. Both sides appear prepared for further escalation, and the coming days will be crucial in determining whether a full-scale war can be averted. One thing's for sure, this is a major moment in the Middle East. The world's eyes are fixed on how Israel and Iran navigate this tense standoff. So let's keep watching and hope for the best. Thanks for tuning in and stay safe out there. Safe.